Shenzhen Longrun Optelectronic Company Limited was established in 2013, a professional LED display manufacturer engaged in research, development, production, sale, and service for LED display product application and solution. We have 6 years experience on LED display R&D, especially for indoor and outdoor LED screen solution. We're located in Bao'an District, Shenzhen City, Guangdong Province, China, with convenient transportation access, covering an area of 10,000 square meters, ultra-clean, anti-static plant. Our company has introduced a series of advanced equipment such as SMT machine, reflow soldering machine, auto screw driving machine, tin paste printer, glue pouring machine. In addition, we have obtained CCC, CE certificate, high-tech enterprise certificate, and multiple new patent certificates. Moreover, we have passed the quality certification of ISO 9001, environmental management system certification of ISO 14001, and health and safety system of OHSAS 18001 certification. Longrun is dedicated to provide suitable solution and good service for end-user customers around all cities and provinces in China, also exported to clients in such countries and regions as America, Europe, Southeast Asia, Middle East, South America, South Asia. We welcome OEM and ODM orders. Whether selecting a current product from our catalog or seeking engineering assistance for your application, you can talk to our customer service center about your sourcing requirements. Welcome to visit our factory at Shenzhen Bao'an District nearby airport.
Longrun Optelectronic Company Limited, a professional LED display manufacturer engaged in research, development, production, sale, and service of LED display products, application, and solution. Welcome to get in touch with us.